Alright, welcome back to the channel. Again, we're going to do another lighting video. We're going to put filler lights in this bike. I don't know why Harley leaves them gaps open like they do, but we're going to put some filler lights in here on this 2019 Ultra Classic. And they're going to be done by Custom Dynamics Pro Beams. And been looking to put these on for a while. But yes, I did buy these. It's not sponsored video. Did not get them give to me. I did have to purchase these ourselves. So anyway, first thing we're going to have to do is get the saddlebags off so we can access here to tie all the wires and stuff up. So let's get the saddlebags off. We'll start with that. Pretty simple. Take my cooler out. The Rick Rack cooler. We really like it. Again, it's not sponsored. I've had this for a couple years. Fits in my saddlebag. We carry drinks with us wherever we go. We can put ice in there. You can put a 12-pack of beer in it or more, or water, soda, whatever you want. So we really like that. So anyway, we get the saddlebags off here. And we'll have to take the seat off too. Take them, and we'll set them over here out of the way. Alright, we got to get the seat off of here. You got the saddlebags off, of course. Make this easy because you're going to have to strap the wires up. Anyway, we need to get the seat off. There's one screw down here that you take out. Just a Phillips screw, at least mine is. And we got to take screw out of here, take this screw strap off. And it's a Phillips also. Just lay it over, pull up on your seat, pull it back, and everything comes out. Alright, well, we got the seat off. We got both saddlebags off now. Now we're going to see what's in here on these filler lights. Of course, you got your filler lights on here. Got one here, one for each side, left and the right. Got your adapter plug that comes in that your tail lights will attach to. And they also give you instructions in here. And they give you some zip ties in your kit. They give you alcohol wipes so you can clean this off here. So the heads to it, because these just stick on. It's like a 3M tape. And these also are numbered right and left. So you can't get them confused, and when you put them on the bike, they have to be plugged in a certain way so you get your left and right. Okay, comes with instructions. You know, us men say we don't need instructions, but for anybody that needs them, it shows you these are illustrated. Shows you how everything plugs into your bike and where to connect it to. So let's get this started. Alright, we're going to connect our connector here. It's a quick connect. It only goes in one way. It goes in line. Take your rear plug. I've already got a trailer hitch on mine, so I've already got an extended plug. But if you take this out, it'll actually attach to that. So all you're doing is taking it out in line. Just put it back in line with that. Clip it in. I'm going to run this back here. Into there. And attach it. That's all you do. Then once we get the new tail lights up in here, all the wires, I'll tidy it up, zip tie everything. So let's work on the other part. All right, now we're going to get these plugged in, and get these attached in here. If anybody's seen a little wiener running around, this is Jezebel. It's our new addition to the family. She's going to be going out for motorcycle rides with us and hanging with us a lot. So if you see her running around, it's not a rat running around. It's this little Jezebel mini dachshund. She's cute. She's about 11 weeks old now, 12 weeks, and so she's just part of the family. We do have a pug, new pug, Patty got. Oh, sorry, Patty got, and it's about 9 weeks old now, and but she's inside. But this one here's out here roaming around with us. So if you see it running around, it ain't a rat running around. It's just a little wiener. All right, now we gotta get this backing off this tape so we can get this in the spot. Well. All right. Well, we had a little bit of difficulty getting the red tape off there, but we're getting it off here now. And so make sure you put your right side. Make sure you clean this off real good. We've already done that, and because I figured we didn't need to bore you with that. So let's get this taken off. Let's get this undone real quick, because we will need that undone. Pull the wires through, and it goes right through here. Now, I can get it shoved through there. We'll pull it through there. Now these do fit pretty snug. Until the he's in there. You got this clear backing right there. Alright. That's the one side, that's the right side. So what we're going to do, anyway, what we're going to do now is run these wires. We're going to get this wire ran over here. I've already got one wire ran up here for my brake lights and stuff for my trailer that I can run. We're going to take this side part off, make this a little bit easier. There we go. But this is pretty simple. We're going to run it right up through here, right up through the frame. There's a little opening right here, and get it up through. And it should be able to come around, attached to my lights right there. So, all right. With the zip ties coming and in the kit, I may use some more than what they have, but they do send you some. Right, I'm gonna run mine right along with my other wire that I have here. There we go. I'm not gonna cinch that down quite yet. Alright. The other wire. Okay, we got that wire on. Now let's make sure we tuck it up here. Make sure your tire, nothing's going to interfere with it. I'm going to tuck it back under here. Make sure it's tight with the other wire. It's going to come up and attach to the pigtail for the light. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and run the other side. I'm not going to bore you to doing the left side because it's just duplicate this. Then we'll get them all hooked up and see what they look like. All right, now we got the lights installed. They're all wire tied. I haven't tidied up everything underneath the seat, but I'm not going to show that because everybody's bike's different. I'll get that tidied up. But right now we got them installed. Hopefully we pray that we got everything works properly. It's all plugged in correctly, I hope. So let's turn the bike on. Well, we got bright lights, and that makes a big difference. I don't know how well the video is going to show it, but it really brightens the back end of the bike up. Now let's make sure the turn signals work. That's the left or the right side. There's the left side. I guess we can show the hazards. Alright, well, we got the saddlebag back on, side plate. We did get the seat back on, got everything tied up underneath there. But if you check out the back end of the bike, that fills that back end in there. I'm really liking that. You don't have that void. I don't understand why Harley ever left the voids in there. Well, they just didn't go ahead and put lights in there. But let's go ahead and turn them on, see what they look like with the bags on. Alright, so that really brightened up the tail end of the bike. Now to give more brightness to people behind you. Hopefully the video brings it out. I know it's hard to tell on lighting sometimes with the videos, but I think it turned out really well. I think the next thing I really want to do is get me the custom dynamic strip for the tour pack. I think that would really help brighten that up too, and give more light to the back end of the bike. But anyway, I think this install is done for today. So if you like what we're doing, like I said, let's subscribe to our channel, please. We appreciate it. If give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing, and give a notification bell. That way you got more videos coming. You'll be notified for that. So we're going to leave that here. Let's give this rubber side down and the shiny side up.